Hello and welcome to Vicasso's Dreamforce swag unboxing video. We are super thrilled to be sponsoring Dreamforce again this year. Last year our swag items were a huge hit at the booth, so we are going to do more swag this year and even more exciting swag this year at booth number 507. Let's take a look at what you can win. So since we will be talking a lot about firing up agent productivity, we have our big ticket item number one, a solo stove, which will be engraved with the Vicasso logo. It's your own little personal campfire. You can roast marshmallows over this guy anytime you want. Our second big ticket item, which was a huge hit last year, we're gonna be doing these again, Vicasso Yeti tumblers. So good for coffee, tea, water, scotch, whatever your thing is. Put it in the Vicasso tumbler. All right, next we have Vicasso first aid kit. So we've got in here emergency, Band-Aids, Tylenol, everything you might need for a hard day on the Dreamforce floor. We have a stress squeezy that's shaped like a fire with the Vicasso logo, so that's really cool. It could be a desk accessory. And then we also have our cool stickers. So last year we had our sleigh bot. We're doing him again this year. We also have Get Fired Up, talking about firing up agent productivity to fuel service profitability. And then we have Case Closed next. Our last two, we will have a microfiber device cleaning cloth. This isn't the final design, so it's gonna look a little bit cooler than this, but this gives you the idea. And then we've got our classic Vicasso pens, which are awesome. They glide like a knife through butter. Really excited for Dreamforce this year. I'll be there with 11 other Vicasso employees. We're getting fired up about agent productivity, so come visit us at booth 507